Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, this is Thursday, about 5 days after I got out of the hospital, and I'm feeling a little better. So I decided I was going to move some of these stones, but I'm not going to use the hand cart. I'm going to use gasoline power, not try and pull everything by myself. It's always good to use the leverage that you got. When I went in the house on Thursday last week, I had unloaded the pavers onto this stump so that I could bring more of them over here and set them up, because I thought it'd be easier to pick them off the high spot. And it is, but I was not feeling bad when I started, so I thought, well, I'll just use the hand cart and haul them around where I want them, because I can use the hand cart to get tighter spots than I can the pickup truck. We're going to trade mechanical power for efficiency. It's supposed to be up to 80 degrees today, so I'm not going to be out here all day. And I'm going to move some of these stones. probably a good time to take a rest. Normally I just say, well, okay, I gotta go get a drink of water and come right back, but understanding my limitations. So I got about half the stones out of there, which is a good beginning. And okay, I'll pick up one more. OCD, can't have an unfinished row. There. Set my tools there, and I'll go in the house, get a drink of water, sit down, rest a little bit, and might do some more today, might wait, do another day. Because doing a little bit every day is better than taking 4 days off and not being able to do anything, and having to take another 4 days off just waiting for recovery from what they did to you when you fell down the first time. But as you can see, I'm up and moving and doing a little work. It's going to take time to get over all the other stuff going on, but I'm going to be okay. That pear tree is looking nice. One of my favorite trees. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.